Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is Hindi cover page design. Draw the Hindi word like this. I am using black color sketch pen for outline. If you want you can use any other colors. I am using sketch pen. If you want you can use color pen, brush pen, marker pen, whatever you want. Hindi word was completed. Now I am using light blue color brush pen. Fill this Hindi word with light blue color brush pen. If you want you can use any other colors. I am using light blue color brush pen. Draw the bird outline like this. I am using black color sketch pen for outline. Same repeat here in a big size. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or color pens? Comment on comment section. If you want any type of border designs or cover page designs or any type of cards, comment on comment section. Follow me on Instagram, link given in the description box. I am using light blue color brush pen. Here I am using light blue color pencil. Fill this middle space with light blue color pencil. Draw the 3 lines like this.
Thank you so much for watching. Support me as liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing.